Mr. Kurth, you participated in our workshop in Sofia. I would like to ask you some questions. What did you like about the workshop in Sofia the most?
First of all, it was a new experience for me to get along with this design thinking process. I think this is a very interesting method to get people in a very short time together and also to create a lot of new ideas. And I would like also to, as a takeaway, to use this method further on also in our company, because I do think it's really a valuable new tool, at least for us.
Okay, talking about ideas, what did you learn particularly from the workshop for this teamwork and cooperative approach?
First of all, as you do know, Aurubis is running a copper smelting business, so we are not directly in the mining business, but we are customers of the mining business. So from that point of view, it is for us also very important how our main stakeholders in this perspective, our suppliers, are thinking which kind of direction they are going to think, so that we are also do understand much better what are their concerns, if their concerns maybe are also overlapping with our concerns, so that we can join forces and work in future also much more together on certain items and topics.
So there were many important insights that you generated in this workshop together with your stakeholders.
Yes, I wouldn't say that there were so many new things,
okay.
But it was for sure so that I learned that a lot of things are overlapping, so that the mining industry has to cope and also to struggling and being challenged with the same items as we do. So therefore I do think that was very useful for me to join, and I hope also that my participation was useful for the other guys.
Of course. You said there weren't so many new insights, but there were many insights that are significant for the future. Yes. What are the main challenges which you and your industry face at the moment? And
as you can imagine, there are these main topics like how we are going to deal with energy shortage, how we are going to deal with legislation. That legislation is becoming more and more complex. That legislation is not target-driven for our industry. Then there were a lot of discussions about acceptance. So how accepted is our industry within the, let's say, the different stakeholders, and there I learned a lot that these things are common topics.
Okay, Mr. Kurth, thank you.
Thank you.